this one, and this one, oh yeah, and this one. I'm surrounded by the stories of heroes, and every single one of them seems to be based on it. A storytelling mechanism that turns millions of people into binge watchers. And this proves once again that movies are the place to look for inspiration, knowledge and frameworks to create binge-worthy video content for your audience. This is the hero's journey. Welcome to Video State. On this channel I'll teach you how to create binge-worthy video content. So like, subscribe or leave a comment if you want some more. Today we're looking into one of the most famous narrative frameworks that describes the archetypical journey of a hero in a story. Now, in this framework called The Hero's Journey was first described in this book, The Hero with 1,000 Faces by Joseph Campbell. Now, the hero's journey consists of three main parts: departure, initiation and return. And within these chapters there are 11 phases which we will discuss now. The first one, call to adventure. The soon-to-be hero, or protagonist, receives a call to embark on a journey or face a challenge. 2. Refusal of the call. The protagonist initially hesitates, unsure of their abilities or just reluctant to leave their comfort zone. 3. Meeting the mentor. The protagonist encounters a mentor or guide who offers advice, tools and support. 4. Crossing the threshold. The protagonist decides to take on the challenge and leaves their familiar world behind. 5. Tests, allies and enemies. The protagonist faces challenges, forms alliances and encounters obstacles on their journey. 6. Approach to the inmost cave. The protagonist reaches a critical point where they must confront their fears and doubts. 7. Ordeal. The protagonist faces their greatest challenge and must use their skills and resources to overcome it. 8. Reward. The protagonist emerges from the ordeal with a new level of knowledge, experience or personal growth. 9. The road back. The protagonist returns to their familiar world, transformed by their journey. 10. Resurrection. The protagonist feels a sense of renewal and purpose, having completed their journey. And 11. Return with the elixir. The protagonist shares their newfound knowledge and experience with others, helping to inspire and guide future heroes. Well, think about it. Frodo, Neo, Harry Potter, Luke Skywalker, they all went through the same cycle. So let's summarize. The hero's journey is a powerful storytelling arc that deeply resonates with the audiences because it reflects the themes of personal development, sacrifice and redemption. Wait, go back. Deeply resonates with audiences. Gotcha. This is what we need when we create binge-worthy video content too. Now let's rewire this framework so it fits product storytelling. Adapting the hero's journey framework to a product can help create compelling narratives that resonates with customers and drives engagement. Okay, so what should you do right now? First of all, buy the book. It's in the description below. Second, write down the hero's journey of your ideal customer or audience. What is their biggest challenge and fear and how do they overcome it? And third, let me know. I'm curious. Well, that's it for today. I hope you found some value here. I'll be back next week. Thanks for watching. I'll be back.